In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete all your Telegram channels or messages at once. So whether you want a fresh start or just need to tidy up, you'll walk away knowing exactly what to do, step by step, with the latest 2024 update. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle how to clear all the messages in a single chat. Maybe there's a conversation you want to erase, perhaps it's a group chat that's gotten a bit too cluttered, or maybe you've got a private chat with lots of old messages piling up. Here, how you handle it: start by opening the chat you want to clear. You'll see all your messages displayed, and this is where your work begins. Look up at the top right, there should be 3 dots, or sometimes you'll see a settings icon depending on your device. Tap those. This opens a menu with more options for that chat. From here, find Clear History or Clear Chat. The exact wording can vary, but it means the same thing. It's Telegram's way of asking if you're sure you want to erase what's inside this conversation. When you tap on it, Telegram will usually ask you one more question. Do you want to delete this chat for yourself only or for all the participants? The choice here depends on your permissions. If you're an admin in a group, you might also see the option to delete for everyone. Be mindful, deleting for all participants means the chat history vanishes for everyone, not just you, so only use this if that's really what you intend. If you just pick for myself, you're only cleaning up your own chat list and everyone else's messages remain untouched. Now, what if you want to clear out more than one chat at the same time? Maybe you want a full spring cleaning, wiping out old conversations and channels altogether. Here, how you can do it efficiently. From your main Telegram chat list, look in the top left corner. You'll spot the Edit button, or maybe the menu button with 3 lines. Tap this to enter selection mode. Telegram will now let you choose multiple conversations at once. You'll see circles appear next to each chat or channel. Just tap the circles for every chat you want to delete. It's a bit like selecting multiple files on your computer before you throw them in the recycle bin. Take your time here. Double-check which ones you're selecting so you don't accidentally delete a chat you still want to keep. Once you've made your selection, look to the bottom right of your screen. You should see a trash can icon or a delete button. That's the magic button that will remove everything you've chosen. Tap it, and Telegram is going to prompt you one last time just to be sure. Confirm that you really want to delete these chats, and that's it, they'll be gone from your Telegram. Keep in mind, depending on your device, Android or iOS, the buttons may look a bit different or be in a slightly different spot, but the process is basically the same. If you're clearing out a lot of channels and messages, be patient. It may take a few moments for Telegram to process everything. And there you go, a clean Telegram slate. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.